Hey everyone, this is Cameron Francis, and I'm teaming up with Paper Crane Magic to bring you two incredible gimmicked card effects. Both are hard-hitting, powerful, and easy to do. The two effects are corner and exposure. A corner is an impossible transposition that happens right under the spectator's nose. A signed card impossibly transposes with a folded stapled joker. And the best part is, the card is completely examinable. There's nothing to find. The second effect is exposure. It's a card-to-card case. But not just any card-to-card case. This one is extremely visual. The spectators actually see the card appear inside the box. And the best part is, you end clean. They can totally examine the box if they want to. So, let's take a look at both right now. Watch the card case carefully. Don't take your eyes off of it when I show you that actually the 3 just is inside the card case. Not just any 3, by the way, not just any 3, but guess what? It's actually got your name on it. And do me a favor, please, check out the card box to make sure there's nothing tricky, unusual, strange. I can take the deck back. Let's fold it up here. And actually, I've got something that I use for sort of unruly cards. I've got this stapler. For unruly cards, look, we're going to put a staple right through that joker. That's right through and through. Hold out your hand, Renee, please. We're going to take the joker, put your other hand on top. Put your hand on top. Now put your hand on top, too. Put your hand on top of her hand. Everybody put their hand this way. The joker cannot go anywhere. Now watch. 3, 2, 1. Your card was a 2 of hearts, yes? If I just spread through the deck, one card should now be reversed in the middle. Aha, there's one card reversed. It is the whoops. Do me a favor, open up your hand, turn that card over. Open it up, open it up. Is that really the 2? Is that?